108 Scotland calling.
Hello, Donnie. Do you copy? Kate in Canterbury. Charlie Echo 01.
Kate, very nice. Good morning to you, sir. Nice to hear your voice there. This is Donnie up in the Outer Hebrides on the Isle of Lewis. Copy, Kate?
Yeah, I got you there, Donnie. 100%. That is awesome to catch you. And I heard you up around the fives earlier on. So that's how I know the Scotland's coming in when I hear you. So that is really cool to catch you. And the radio today is the Midland 7001. Back to you.
Okay, Kate. You're running Midland there, doing a good job. You're up to 5 by 9.
Wow.
And sometimes 30 plus here. Thank you from the Midlands. I'm working here with the Kenwood. It is a TF0 Kenwood. Still using the Answer 99 very good. That's the thing I see, Kate. Double X now. It's dry, but very dull overcast. So maybe some time of the day we'll wait. Do you have any thunderstorms down you, Kate? Sure.
No, not yet there, Donnie, but we'll be keeping an eye on the weather because it's very humid and a bit cloudy. So yeah, it feels like there's a storm coming. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. And I'm running the Sirio 827 vertical is the aerial out in the workshop. So that is really cool to catch you there, Donnie. And I hope you're having a lovely day up in Scotland.
Kate, you keep an eye on the front of storms there. Not very good for the antenna. Not very good for the antenna. But keep a close eye there. Like I was saying, the Double X here is very cloudy at the moment. Very calm, but cloudy. Showing. Cheers, up.
Yeah, that's it. Well, as soon as we hear the crackling coming through the radio there, we'll be unplugging it because we don't fancy getting struck. That wouldn't be good. But yeah, really good to hear you. I'll let you carry on because I'm sure there's some other stations nearby that would like to say hello to you there, Donnie. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, good. But anyway, I'm not quite it does happen from time to time. Kate, 73, my friend, and thank you again. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Nice to hear the voice, and I hope we'll do it again another day when Kate is still out. You're here to be a master of the storm, and the classic and the second of the show. 73, Kate, and thank you very much for the QSO once again. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks so much there, Donnie. If you hear me, call me and I'll come straight back to you. Always a pleasure. Thanks so much, 73s.
Morning, Kate.
A very good morning to you. Do you want a QSY off this frequency? 20k up, so 2 channels up. 26th Division, Charlie Echo 01, southeast of England.
Southeast of England, you copy 108. Scotland, go ahead.
Yeah, I got you there. 108, Scotland. You're a 5 and 7, a 5 and 7 into Canterbury, the southeast of England. Back to you.
Aye, no problem, pal, no problem. My name at this stage is David. Davey, my name is, pal. Aye. I'm getting you back here 100%. I'm getting you on the 60. You've given me a full bar on this radio. I'm on the new, pal. Aye.
Yeah, well, I've got you there, David, 100%. And I'm using a real old school radio, the President Washington. And the microphone is the A-Static Silver Eagle. And I'm using a real old school speedy amp, and it's peaking about 70 watts. It's an old valve amp, and the antenna's the Sirio 827. Back to you.
Roger. I like the Silver Eagle microphone. It's very, very nostalgic, you know what I mean? It's a really nice looking radio you've got now. I've actually seen one of them on eBay. It was a wee while back. But the radio I'm on now is a Kenwood 690. A Kenwood 690, and I'm doing about 100 watts now.
Yeah, well, I got you there, David, 100%. Peaking of 5-7. That is really cool. Sorry, the operator name is Kate this side. So Kilo, Alpha, Tango, Echo. Kate, back to you.
Roger, Kate, no problem, pal, no problem, Kate. Kate, nice talking to you, pal. It's not very often I've got well, as far as England, especially Bilderbox, man, that was the really good, no, it was the really good, but the antenna side, I've used an Anton 99, that's just in my back garden on a scaffolding pole. Kate, go ahead.
Yeah, well, that's really cool. Yeah, really nice audio, and it's definitely doing the trick. My antenna's the Sirio 827, and I'm not sure, it's about 42 foot, I think, and it's on like an old... And yeah, you're sounding absolutely awesome. Nice clear audio, so there's no problems there. Back to you, David.
No problem, Kate, pal. No problem, pal. You'll come back into your exact same, Kate. Nice and loud, and you're no more deviating. You're just nice and crisp, you know what I mean? I can make out every word you're saying. It's branch back to you, Kate. Honestly, man, 100% modulation, Kate. Not a problem there, pal, eh?
Yeah, brilliant. Well, I'm not too sure when I can put the video up, but I normally sort of do a compilation of the UK40. So if you type in my call sign, you should find it, Charlie Echo 01. I really hope you find it. Back to you.
Okay, Kate, no problem, pal. I'll try that later on, pal. That's Charlie Echo 01. No problem, Kate, no problem, pal. I'll try that later on, as soon as I get myself organised. I've I've been on my bed back for about an hour and a half now, so I've not really opened my eyes yet. Hey, Kate, but it's really nice talking to you, pal, and I hope you have a nice day, pal, eh?
Yeah, well, thanks very much there, David. And well, you've been a steady sort of 5-7 on the old school radio. That's really cool. Give it a few days before I put the video up, but you can find the channel anyway, Charlie Echo 01. Thanks again, and I'll catch you later.
No problem, Kate. Nice talking to you, pal. All the best, pal. Cheers now, man. Charlie Tango 286.
Yeah, got you in there, 286. That's amazing. A massive audio, a 5 and 7, Canterbury, England.
Harry there, Kate. It's Harry here. Harry from the central part of Scotland here. You're doing yourself here, Kate. You're a 5 and 7 here, Kate. Roger.
Yeah, got you there, Harry, 100%. That is really cool. I normally sort of... Well, I normally leave it on the 555s, and as soon as I hear Scotland coming in, I drop it straight down to the UK40. I really, really love the short skip on the FM. It's really, really cool. Back to you.
Oh, they bother, Kate. Aye, you're up to a +20 there.
Wow.
+20 there, Kate. They bother. I'm the same there today. 555, but we got 26 division there. It's pretty good there for me. Good audio checks here, Kate. Roger.
Yeah, well, you're sounding absolutely awesome. A really loud audio, nothing horrible coming through, really nice and clear. And as ever, I'm on the real old school radio, the President Washington, and I think it's peaking about 70 watts through an old school speedy amplifier. So that's really cool to catch you.
You're doing well there, Kate. I say you're doing well there. I'm on the UC 991 Alpha there, with the equaliser from Ukraine.
Wow.
With the heel, the hand mic there, heel there, Kate. Roger.
Yeah, well, it's really, really loud for a hand mic. That is really cool. I'm using the Silver Eagle A-Static from the States. I really love the old school mics, and yeah, I was using this this amplifier before, and I had it on top of the radio, and it was picking up the RF. So I hope it hasn't got like a buzz there. Over to you there. Back to you.
Oh yeah, I'm up there, Kate. Radio 5 there. No buzz or nothing there. Just a
Brilliant.
Nice clean audio there, Kate. Aye. I've seen some of your videos there. I've seen some of your videos there, and some of your transceivers there, Kate. Roger.
Yeah, well, I'm really glad you found the channel. I'm actually running a video and I was telling David beforehand that I'll put it up. I'm not too sure when, but it'll be like a compilation, and you can see how you're coming over. But it's really, really awesome. And the antennas, the Stereo 827. Back to you.
Well, I've got the Stereo 2016 there, 2016 there. And I've also got the Super Lem there, 16 there. But the Stereo's doing a wee bit better there. A wee bit better, I was saying, on the receive and the transmit there. So I'm going to take down the, what do you call it, the Super Lem there. And I've got a 2-element delta loop to put up there. And so I'll be reset for the next cycle there, Kate. Roger.
Yeah, well, it's definitely very interesting times. Yesterday, I did have a QSO with Donnie, and he's up on the Isle of Lewis. I don't know if you've ever heard him, but he's really cool, a really nice old boy. So I got him out in the workshop yesterday, so that was really cool, but nothing else. And you're a solid 5.7 on this old school radio. That is really cool.
I think I've heard Donnie, in fact, with the short script there, Kate, myself there, Kate, aye.
Cool.
But you yourself, you have to a plus 40 there, That's I say, the nice clean radio there, Kate. But anybody there, Kate, I'll let you get away there, Hen. A lot of people got a chance to get a hot toddy there, Kate. I'll say 7-3 with that one, and it's nice to contact with you.
Yeah, well, keep an eye out on the channel there, and I'll put the video up as soon as I can. And yeah, thanks so much again for coming back. It's absolutely awesome. Have a lovely day up in Scotland.
You take it. Bye-bye, Lily from Scotland. Bye-bye. 6727, are you receiving me?
Yeah, I've got you there, 100%. I didn't quite catch the call sign. This is Charlie Echo 01, Operator Kate in the southeast of England. Back to you.
Roger, Kate here. The call sign here is 108 Tango Mike 6727. That's 108 Tango Mike 6727. And the operator's name is Clark Charlie Lima Alpha Romeo Kilo. Roger.
Yeah, is that Clark? Sorry, is that Clark, your operator name?
Roger there, Kate. Charlie Lima Alpha Romeo Kilo. It's Clark. I'm 20 miles from the capital, Edinburgh. I'm actually in a little town called Bathgate, West Lothian. That's Bathgate, West Lothian. Back to you, Kate.
Yeah, that's absolutely awesome there, Clark. And you're peaking a 5 and 5, I think. It's really up and down. Earlier on, it was really steady, but now it's sort of kind of dropping away. But I totally got you there. And I'm in Canterbury, the very southeast of England. The antenna is the Stereo 827, a vertical. Back to you.
The conditions are up and down, but you were actually a 5 and 9, 59. Modulation was absolutely crystal clear. So, yeah, I just turned the radio on and I seen you lighting it up like as we would say up here, like a bleacher beacon. So, yeah, many thanks for letting me come in there. I'm not going to hold it. I'm actually just going down to the HF side of the radio. So I will say 73 and I'll take more contacts. This is 108 Tango Mike 6727 to 26 Charlie Echo 01. Many thanks, Kate. 73.
Yeah, thanks so much there, Clark. And you can check out your audio on the YouTube if you type in Charlie Echo 01 in a few days' time. All the very best. Thanks so much for coming back.
73, Kate. Many thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, my friend, thank you for the radio time. I wish you 73. Bye-bye. Till another time. Nice evening.
IQ Zelda, and good luck with your fuses. Do that 20 amp and then the problem is over. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello, G-Copy 26 Division, Charlie Echo 01 in the southeast of England, Operator Kate.
Southern part of England, Operator Kate, good evening. This is 19 Bravo Echo November. Mr. Ben from the southern part of the Netherlands. Go.
Yeah, got you there, Mr. Ben. That is awesome. And you're peaking a 5 and 7 into Canterbury, the very southeast of England. Back to you.
Canterbury. I thought, I know a little bit whether it is there. Good evening, Kate. You're coming also in there with some 7 now at the moment, but I hear you a little bit earlier, and then you was 10 to be after the 9. It's going great into the southern part of the Netherlands.
Yeah, well, got you there in the south part of the Netherlands. That is an awesome contact on the FM short skip. That is really cool to hear you in there. And the antenna is the Sirio 827, the vertical. The radio's a real old school President Washington, and it shouldn't really have the UK40 on it, let alone the FM. And I think it's peaking about 70, 60, 70 watts. Back to you. I think I've lost you there. That is a real shame. I'll be listening out for you again. Two 6 Division, Charlie Echo 01.
Yeah, Charlie Echo 01, 26 Division, do you copy 108 Delta Delta 074?
Yeah, I've got you in there, 074. You're a 5 and 3, Canterbury. Operator Kate.
The famous Kate from the YouTube channel, yeah. I've seen your QSOs on the YouTube channel. My name is Bill, Bravo India, Lima Yankee, Operator Donnie, and I'm about 20 miles north of Dundee. I think you've spoke to a few Dundee stations there, QSL.
Yeah, I got you in there, Billy, but it's really, really on the move. You're a kind of 3 and a 1 now, a radio 3 and a 1, but I have got you in there. Great to meet you. Back to you.
Yeah, see, I'm about 20 miles, 20 miles north of Dundee in Scotland. I believe you've got 2 other Dundee stations on your YouTube channel, QSL.
Yeah, well, I've got you, so that is really cool there, Billy. So keep an eye out on the channel, and I'll be putting up another sort of skip clip thing. But I'll say 7 threes because I reckon I'm going to lose you now. All the best, Billy. 7 threes.